All right, next trade here, Bitcoin. If you're skipping the mall and heading online to do most of your holiday shopping, you'll be in good company. But how about paying for everything with virtual money? In an attempt to go more mainstream, Bitcoin fans have organized their own Black Friday. From what we can tell right now, it's mostly smaller online retailers, so it might not help you unless you plan on shopping for domain names that name cheap or flights on cheapair.com. And Bitcoin is currently trading up, by the way, in case you didn't know, about $800 a unit. So many shoppers might be hesitant to give up their investment in the digital currency right now. It doesn't seem to be a good trade to use a Bitcoin to buy a sweater, seeing where Bitcoin prices are going.
This whole listen, this was a $13 item so in 11 months, it's gone from 13 to 8 and change. And last week, we saw a 30% move in a 24-hour period on the way down. So if you're trying to if you're going to go out there to mine Bitcoins, which I know Josh likes doing on his
I'm right now. You bring a pick when you're mining Bitcoins.
Yeah, well, we've talked about them because of the security concerns. Because, again, anybody who is into this market, folks, will tell you when you're logging in to an account, you don't want to leave that computer online because you're basically leaving the door open to the safe where they can come in and take Bitcoins from you. Now, depending on your level of security and all the rest, because it's just it's a digital currency, folks.
You should only use Bitcoin for the holiday season if you're giving your loved ones guns or drugs. Otherwise, I see no reason why you'd want to be spending these things.
I was going to give these to my daughters, but I bought them the first
part of this month. You're going to give to your daughter?
First of this month. I bought them for under $100 US per Bitcoin. They went up over 500 like that. I was gone off like a prom dress, as they say. And now it's 800. So I was an idiot for selling it at 500.
Go to break. On prom dress, we go to break. Coming up next, Apple priming itself for the world of 3D tech, and so are we. When we come back, we'll be joined by the president and CEO of 3D printing company 3D Systems.